Hey guys, so today excuse my crazy hair, I am unboxing Sakura from the Sega Saturn Sega Saturn games, Sakura Wars, and from the anime in multiple movies. This has always been a character that I really liked. I watched the anime in the 90s. I'm gonna make this brighter. And yeah, it was a fun anime. It was old school. I like the mecha. I love the character design. I thought her kimono was super cute. Here we are. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I bought it from a seller and he actually included her theater clothes, which was like an extra that you had to buy. Yeah. Super cute. We've got her wig. I am gonna put her in her classic kimono, just because I love that. And this should be her sword, I think. Yes, it is her sword. Alright. So it's relatively easy to take her out of her packaging compared to some of the dolls I had lately. Oh my gosh, she is adorable. I believe she's a Dollfie Dream's sister. I have a few of those. This is what she looks like. Yeah, she's a little bit, she's a little bit new. Wow, this is a lot of clothes. I don't even know where to start. We've got a little instruction manual. Okay, so if I had to assume, we're going to start with her skirt. It looks like, you know, a shrine maiden skirt. is what she looks like. Really cute. I am not going to put her shoes on. Oh, so we'll worry about shoes later. But for now, I think it's time to put on her wig. Put her arms down. Okay guys, I gotta do my weird thing where I hold the head down. Okay, we've got her wig on. Really cute, it's like a little ponytail. Oh, I need to fix the evenness of it. Okay, there we go. And we cannot forget her signature cute bow, which I believe goes like this. Yeah. Wow, they did a really good job with this wig. It's super soft. Okay, guys, and that's pretty much it as far as Sakura goes. Oh, I'm gonna have to figure out how to re-velcro her belt. And oh, if you guys want to see the sword. Oh my gosh, that's cute. This purple thing is just I don't know if you guys have seen the anime or whatever, but the first episode she comes in and she covers her sword with like the little purple bag. So I guess people aren't like, ah, it's a sword. But I'm really bad at the dolls having accessories. Hold it. She is adorable. Oh my gosh. I didn't plan on putting her in this, but maybe I'll make like a separate video of her in her little, you know, theater outfit. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Hope you like Sakura. I love the games. I love the anime. Oh, and something interesting for Sakura Taisen fans is they actually are rebooting the series, and I think it already came out December 2019 in Japan, but it's coming out December 2020 in America. So it's like I think it's all new characters, and yeah, but they're just rebooting the series. But I thought that was interesting. If you like my video, please subscribe, give a thumbs up. If not, thanks for clicking on it still, and hope y'all have a good day. Bye! Oh, also, don't know if y'all can see, I'm repping my team. Josh Rosen. Anyway, bye guys.